What's up team, Coach Josh Graves here at Fitness on Fire. You're here today for our Hyrox Roxzone Deep Dive. This is a part of a series where we're breaking down Hyrox zone by zone. And today we're talking all about the Burpee Broad Jump. I mean, come on, who doesn't love burpees? My goal today is to help you improve on your skills so you can crush this rock zone at your next Hyrox, or at least make this one suck a little less. For this rock zone, you'll be completing 80 meters of Burpee Broad Jumps. You'll start the movement by completing a burpee. The burpee starts with your hands placed behind the start line and near your feet, at most about a foot length away from your feet. Once the hands are placed on the ground, they cannot be moved forward. When you lower yourself down to the ground, your chest must clearly touch the ground. Then, when you stand up, you're gonna jump forward, jumping and landing with both feet simultaneously. If your feet are staggered when you're taking off, you need to make sure that they both land at the same time parallel to each other. You can't be stepping or shuffling your feet after the landing either. When stepping or jumping back up from the lower position, your feet cannot pass your fingertips. How far you jump on each broad jump is completely up to you. The station is completed once you jump across the finish line. If you violate any of the previously mentioned points, the rep's going to become invalid, and on the second warning, you'll receive a 5-meter penalty. So here's a game changer for you. Unless otherwise stated, a burpee in all races starts by going down to the ground, not doing a premature jump at the start. One of the techniques that we've seen to be doing well in the competitions is to hop back and then step forward. If you're attempting this, make sure that you understand the standards that we mentioned above. When you jump, your feet should be leaving and landing together. Try to find the most energy efficient way to do the burpee. For me, it's almost a knee on the ground push-up versus a strict push-up. For the form police out there, I typically train strict, but I race efficiently. This race is like a battle of attrition. You don't want any one thing to slow you down too much. After my first Hyrox, my run after the burpees was my slowest of the day. So now I've trained to make this my strongest transition. My last piece of advice for you, just try not to take too many burpee naps. Keep moving forward. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast, but it's gotta be forward. So that's it. That's the end of Rock Zone 4. It's all downhill from here. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our gym is also located in Irvine, California. Come stop by. We're always training for the next Hyrox or event or something. Check out the show notes below for our latest offers. I'll catch you at Rock Zone 5 in the next video, where we're gonna go deep on the Concept 2 rower.